So the easiest way to repurpose content or a video into a YouTube short is to start with TikTok. There's a couple of reasons. One, TikTok's great, you can get a lot of views. And two, I really do think it's easier to start with a TikTok video and repurpose it into, say, like a YouTube short, than to start with a YouTube short and then repurpose it into a TikTok video. So that's just what I do. I start with TikTok and I shoot it in the platform because the editing is very fast, and then you could just push it out very quickly. And then what you could do is there's a website, and I'll put the link below in the description, the snaptik.app, where you can actually take that TikTok video you made and then you could download it without that watermark, so you can get it. Okay, so all you do is you go on to your TikTok, you get the link right here, copy the link, you stick it over here, and then boom, you download it without the watermark. And now you have that video and you can repurpose it to other platforms. A great one is YouTube Shorts, right? So you take it over to YouTube Shorts and you post it. Now one little tip is I recommend with YouTube is there's more SEO involved. So the title, you could run it through this site, vidIQ, and this is one I made earlier, and I kind of give you some ideas on the competition, the search volume, and you could play with it. You could be like, well, maybe this competition's too high. You could run that title through ChatGPT, and it give you a whole lot more great ideas that you can run through. And this is what ChatGPT is great for, is just brainstorming ideas. And you could plug them into vidIQ and see which ones work. Be like, whoa, well, that one's actually better, and then use that one, and you'll get maybe better reaction and better views if you do that. So that's one great idea. And don't stop with YouTube. There's actually a lot of places that you can stick that short video. Obviously, you can go into Instagram. You can make a reel and you stick it in Instagram and you just post it right there and upload it there. But of course, it helps to have a PC to do this. There's also LinkedIn, which I still have to work on my profile because I've been out of the game for a couple of years. I've been doing something completely different. I've been promoting a tax credit to small business owners. The craziest thing in the world. I signed up a shit ton of business owners, giving them basically money, but it ended in April. It's so bizarre. Big money too. It's the craziest thing in the world. But you can also do other things as well. Obviously, there's Facebook. You could make a Facebook reel, right? And you can post it right in there. There's Pinterest. So a really cool tip with Pinterest, and I'm still trying to get better at this myself, but you can actually connect your Instagram to Pinterest. So when you post that video to Instagram, it automatically goes to Pinterest, and you can get more views from that as well. And I'm sure there's other places you can post that short video, like Tumblr and stuff. So there's a lot of really cool things you can do with that very short video that you made. It only took a few seconds, and I hope this video might have been at least a little bit helpful and give you some ideas. And if you want more, I actually I made a complete guide to how to dominate with short video. Okay, it has 50 tips in this guide, and you can actually get it for free. All you gotta do is click on the link somewhere in this video, or I'll put in the description as well. You can click on, you can view it. This is the guide I wish I knew when I started. I was making tons of mistakes a long time ago. So hopefully I'm sure it'd be helpful to you, okay? Whether you're advanced or new or whatever. All right, you have a wonderful rest of your day, okay? Okay, bye.